दोस्तों आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे लॉस नंबर 9 मैनेजमेंट लॉस। सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट लॉस of production time due to management and support system deficiencies, not due to machine breakdown or quality problems, happens when resources are not available on time. Raw material shortage, manpower shortage, power failure, waiting for instruction, waiting for tools, waiting for spare part, waiting for containers, pallets, delay in maintenance approval, delay in decision making and production planning issues. Management loss is equal to hidden production productivity killer. Eliminate losses, improve OE, increase the profit. Management loss is again due to the major loss of 16 major losses series, and it is the downtime our OE and cost term. Kaizen solution for management loss. These are the typical examples of management loss. Typical example like no raw material, operator absent, no replacement, no power supply, waiting for production instruction, waiting for maintenance approval, waiting for forklift, and we are not able to supply the material. So stop losses, improve OE and increase the profit. Kaizen solution for zero losses. This is the Kaizen solution. Material related, maintain safety stock, vendor development, daily material review, manpower related, multi-skilling training, backup operator system, attendance improvement plan, power related, put digi backup, auto changeover system, planning related, daily production meeting, advanced production scheduling, real-time shortage tracking, and maintenance related, critical spare inventory, faster approval process. This is the typical example from Shock Observer Manufacturing, like case 1, raw material shortage, spring available, no, rod available, no, machine stopped. Loss category, management loss. Case number 2, no manpower, machine healthy, material available, operator absenteeism, no operator, production stop. Loss category, management loss. Case 3, power failure, production line stopped for 13 minutes, loss category, management loss. Management loss is equal to loss due to management and support system deficiencies. So plan better, support better, and produce better. What are the impacts of management loss? Down, productivity down, OE, OPE down, delivery performance down, production cost increase, customer satisfaction decrease. A machine may be perfectly healthy, but production output still reduces because resources are unavailable. So improve OE, increase the profit. This is the calculation of management loss. How to calculate the management loss? For example, management loss is equal to total waiting time due to management issues. Example, reason first, material shortage 2 hours, power failure 1 hour, operator shortage 1.5 hours, waiting instruction 0.5 hours. Total management loss is equal to 5 hours. Management issue causes hidden losses, waiting time, production loss, profit loss. Measure it, analyze it, eliminate it, and improve it. If you found this video useful, like it, motivate us, comment, share your thoughts, subscribe and press the bell icon. Your support helps us create more quality content, more TPM and OE tips coming your way. Next video, KK pillar, loss number 10, motion loss. Identify, reduce and eliminate hidden losses. Thank you for watching.